In this lesson, we will learn to create mapping between two tables using foreign key. We will do this exercise on e-commerce database that we created earlier. E-commerce database has only users table now. We will create two more tables in this database. We will use create queries to create new tables. You can find these queries in the helper text. Let us first create the products table and then users products table. Click on Structure tab of Users Products table. We will make user ID and product ID as index. Index is used to make columns as foreign key. Let us first make user ID as index and then product ID as index. Click on Relation View now. Relation View provides the functionality to link column of one table to another. Here we are mapping user ID of users products table to ID column of users table. We will follow similar steps to map products ID with ID column of products table. Add some data in users and products table. You can find the data in the helper text section. We will now insert some data in users products table. Click on Insert tab. You will see a drop down for user ID and product ID. This user ID drop down contains all the ID column values of users table. So this column cannot have any other value than this. Same is applicable for products table as well. I don't need to write the ID since it's a primary key. Click on Go. Click on Browse tab. So this entry here tells us that user with user ID as 2 has purchased the product with product ID as 5. If I click on 2, it will show me the users table with ID 2. Let's go back. If I click on this 5 here, it will show me the product table with product ID as 5. So by using foreign key, we have stored information in a normalized manner that which of our user have bought which of our product. Currently, there are no repeat or redundant entries in our table. In this lesson, you learned how to connect tables in database and the concept of foreign key. We will learn new SQL commands in next lesson.